Dreamforce, the flagship conference from Salesforce, will commence on 20 September to 22 September 2022 at Moscone Centre in San Francisco. It is an event where tens and thousands of like-minded trailblazers all over the globe meet each other. There are more reasons to attend Dreamforce because this is where the future happens. The event offers them networking opportunities, countless workshops, and fun-filled parties. Dreamforce has realigned to cater to our virtual audiences in the post-pandemic stage with its own Salesforce Plus, which is Salesforce's new streaming services. It allows you to connect with Dreamforce from anywhere, anytime, and offers stress-free access to great content. It serves both live-streamed and on-demand events. Now that businesses have started with in-person events, however, Salesforce has taken a hybrid approach for gathering a wide range of audiences. If you want to know about the details of Dreamforce 2022, then you need to stay tuned with this video. However, before I start with the video, I would like you to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon to avoid missing any updates. Let's get started. There are certain facts about Dreamforce 2022 that we intend to discuss in this video. Let us discuss them one by one. What is Dreamforce? How to register for Dreamforce 2022? Who will attend Dreamforce? What is the agenda? Where to stay? More about Dreamforce parties. The first fact is, what is Dreamforce? Dreamforce is an annual conference that brings the Salesforce community to one place with new product launches centered around Salesforce innovations, addresses from visionary keynote speakers, in-depth training sessions, engaging with luminaries and thought leaders, and many more. A place where you converse with experts as well as the partner network of Salesforce Learn, get inspired, give back, and have a whole lot of fun. The second fact is how to register for Dreamforce 2022. You can save $700 on your full pass if you register early, and you can register now for $1,299 if you get full conference pass valid till September 20 to 22, and one that includes access to keynotes, hand-on workshops, breakout and theater sessions, networking with your community, Dreamfest, and daily morning and afternoon refreshments and lunch and others. The third fact is who will attend the Dreamforce. Dreamforce is for all in the Salesforce ecosystem admins, developers, architects, newbies, trailblazers, and others. Last year, 180,000 attendees attended this event. The fourth fact is what is agenda. The full agenda will be released later this year. It will include networking opportunities with others, interactive sessions, innovations in the form of new products, and discussions with thought leaders and industry pioneers. You can expect the main keynote, through the core Dreamfest, and the high-profile interviews. The fifth fact is where to stay. During registrations, you get the opportunity to book your room within the reserved block of hotels by Salesforce at affordable rates for those who book early. The best location to look at is downtown San Francisco, with plenty of walking to and fro from venues and busy public transport during the conference. Other alternatives including accessing hotels, comparison websites using sites like Airbnb, and luxury hotels around San Francisco. The sixth and final fact is know more about Dreamforce parties. The center stage at Dreamforce is held by high-profile world-class speakers and parties that are talked about long after the completing of event. The most prestigious among these parties is the Dreamfest. It has hosted celebrities like U2 or Foo Fighters in the past. Moreover, there are partner parties as well hosted by Salesforce Consulting and AppExchange partners. A Dreamforce pass is all that you need to enter these partner parties. Why not share your opinions on this event? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.